What's up, YouTube? So you read it right. We are going to be working on this hair today. I'm gonna be twisting King's hair for the first time. So you're gonna get both of our reactions.
Dear Heavenly Father, please give my followers strength as this girl yanks the mess out of my head. Amen. If I'm crying, you guys know why. There's onions in the room or something.
Let's get started. This is gonna be so much fun. You're done. Get her done. You have to show me what to do. You have to show me how to do this.
So I need you to take you're gonna take well, first off, you're gonna take the oil. You're gonna run this through the scalp where you're about to twist my hair.
Row by row,
so that I have moisture in my hair. And then we'll use the locking cream wax to stiffen up the new growth. And when you twist it, you have to twist it in the way that my curl pattern goes. Kind of already see which direction it's being twisted in.
And then
you clip it at the root so that it holds. Okay?
Okay, so oil.
Yeah, rub that in there.
Get her done.
So we got those four done. Pain and suffering.
Got the first 4 done, y'all, and we're gonna keep it moving. See how this turns out. This is a task, though. It's a jungle up in here.
Hey, Mom.
I actually heard that one. That made me cringe a little bit.
Son.
Sorry, I forgot to do this.
Be a little less rough when you separating the locks, you know what I'm saying?
Stop it. I didn't even do that much. That wasn't anything.
See, this is why you need someone else to do your hair, because when you need to separate it and you know it's gonna hurt, you ain't willing to do that stuff and just rip your hair like that. So
I did not.
you know, she tried to rip my scalp off. She tried to peel my muffin cap back blue, yo.
What does that even mean?
Have you not seen Kevin Hart? Come on now. This is a huge step for Char because 2.5 years ago when I started my lock journey, she wasn't necessarily on board with it, and
I was kind of mean. I'm not even gonna lie.
We like just started dating too. So
do you remember the stuff I used to say?
Oh my gosh, she used to dog me. It was horrible, yo. Like she used to get on me real hard. Like she was joning on me so bad.
I used to say, okay, you could go on this lock journey. Because like you said, we were dating. I was like, okay, you could go on this lock journey and do what you gotta do. He'd be like, oh, okay, but what? And I was like, but I'm not gonna be there. Like, I'll be at home. I was like, I'll be at home. You can go out.
She was basically
rock your hair.
She was basically disowning me. And I was just like, well, dang, you know, through thick and through thin, you know.
He'd be
the
like,
highs
oh,
and the lows. Something. Sheesh.
We've come a long way.
Oh, most definitely. When I started the lock journey, I had a high top. And I took that high top and got them twisted by a friend, not a professional. And at first it was just for Halloween, for real. I was just like, all right, let me do something for Halloween. Let me get this joint twisted and I could be like crisscross or something, right?
And he sent me a picture, by the way.
And it was, yeah.
I'm like, what kind of response, bro, do you want me to give you? Like, I'm not on board. Don't send me photos.
Like, I had zero support. Like, absolutely none. So, I get the hair done. We do the Halloween party, right? I'm crisscrossing and whatnot. And so she starts asking, it's like, so when you gonna get your hair done? It's like, what you mean? Like, when are you gonna get rid of these? Like, what you mean? This is my hair, right? And so she starts looking at me even crazier, like, oh my gosh, your hair looks absolutely ridiculous. Now, and this is no shade to my friend, but she wasn't a professional. And, you know, she kind of didn't necessarily twist my hair the right way. But eventually I went to the salon and, you know, they did me right. They got me right. And I had the little doo-doo twist taken off my head is what she referred to it as. And so fast forward, you know, let's say we fast forward about 6 months, right? You see my hair growing, definitely. It's about maybe about this long, coming down to like my forehead, not reaching my eyebrows yet, like mid forehead. And I'm like, every time I get them done, I'm like, all right, let's put them back so that, you know, my face is not covered, you know. I like my face look nice. So, the friends that I had, we was going to the gym and they would see me and I would take my headscarf off and we'd be like, all right, let's hit this gym. Let's do what we're doing. And one of my friends started calling me Black Sonic the Hedgehog because my hair was going back. And it was like, it wasn't spiky, but you know how Sonic the Hedgehog looked. It was horrible. It was terrible. I'm trying to remember what was the other name someone gave me. Someone said if my hair grew out longer, I'd probably look like Black Jesus. If you feel like I look like Black Jesus, say yes in the comments for me. The jokes rolled in over these past couple of years until my hair got to a certain length. And then people was like, oh, okay, you're like looking nice. Okay, who did your hair? Da, 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 da. Then the praises start coming in, you know. So for those who are down with me through the awkward phases, I love you. Thank you. You helped me get through. Unlike some people. So my grandmother, the first time
on your mom's side,
on my mother's side, my Jamaican grandmother, when I came home one year, and like I came home for the weekend, she saw me. She was like, "What's that hat you wearing on your head?" I'm like, "Hat? And what?" It's like, "This is my hair, grandma." It's like, She sucked her teeth for like 10 minutes. She was, I don't like this. I was like, dang. It's like, why you run around with your hair look raggedy like that? I'm like, I was just like, grandma, like, no filter at all? Like, you gonna at least be like, you know, nice shoes or something. Say something nice. Dang. She was relentlessly like, I don't like it. My other grandmother on my father's side, on the other hand, she's not as direct with her insults to people's appearances.
Oh my God.
So she's like, oh yeah, that's not bad. You know, I wouldn't wear it, but you know, whatever. I was just like, dang, my feelings.
Oh, now we've gotten to the last four.
I don't know. It's the last section. We have been at this for at least about a couple hours or so. I think I'm doing pretty good.
We'll see after I get out the hair from under the hair dryer. Woo! Oh, yes, that oil feels so good. Natalie, yes. Let me stop. I'm sorry.
Tony Baker's hilarious. I'm sorry.
I'm about to say, who's Natalie?
It's a Tony Baker joke. I'm an idiot. It's okay.
Oh man. Like when you get your hair retwisted and the oil hits your scalp in the right place that was itching. Woo! Feels like heaven on earth. I swear. Oh, that's on my forehead. Get it out. Get it out. It's going towards my eye. Come on now. What you laughing at me for? You help me. It's gonna let me get blinded by this oil? Come on now. This ain't anointing oil. Come on now.
First of all, you said you like the oil on your scalp.
Not in my eye. And don't moisturize your eye sockets. It burns like acid.
Oh man.
Alright. So yeah. For the most part, it's been pretty good. And
I've been doing a pretty good job, right?
You know, a couple stabs in the head with the clips, but other than that, you know, it's been a pretty decent job.
Decent. Oh dang! I think I'm doing really good, y'all, for it being my first time helping him out retwisting.
For you not being a professional, this is a way better job than my first time. Huh? How about that?
Alright, I guess I'll take that.
You could probably make a couple side dollars off of this type of service.
I know. I will charge you at the end.
Wait, whoa. I wouldn't talk about for me,
I will charge you. You'll be getting my bill.
I gotta put the checking in the savings and I can't, yeah. I can pay you back with love and kindness.
That's sweet, but a girl needs her coins.
Dinner? How about that? I'll cook tonight, yeah. Is that it?
We gotta put you under the dryer now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Whew. I thought you were saying that, the twisting process wasn't done yet. Alright, so now we're gonna go under the dryer and we will show you the finished product right after these messages.
I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't.
Woo! We are back and here is your finished product.
You gotta give him one of the,
You can see my roots look good.
Yes.
Nice and separated.
It's no longer entangled.
An entanglement.
So, in my opinion, for your first try, you did a pretty good job. I must be a good teacher.
I guess.
No credit at all. Dang. But yeah,
I'll send you my bill, like I said.
Love and forever, right? Yeah, I can do that.
Oh goodness.
But yeah, my hair feels great. Thank God. Whew, it looks great to me, in my opinion. Along with this haircut, whew, feel like I went to the barbershop, went to the salon.
Like a new person.
Might need you to do this more often.
We'll see. But let us know what you guys think. We're gonna give you guys a little bit of a 360.
Hair in the back. Hair on the side.
Oh my goodness.
I'm a fool.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And hope to see you in our next video.
Yeah, guys. Bye.